Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at a Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to see JSON, JavaScript object notation. Okay, so in my earlier videos, I've been talked about Lambda, especially AWS Lambda, and even talked about these functions. Okay, so we have dealt with these things. Now what I'm doing, I'm going for Python basics for data analytics in Python. So I think mainly we can say JSON. So here what I am talking about is JSON. So especially what happens, some of the data which you get from requests, and even from, as we can say, HTTP request or REST API. So all of these things is in JSON only. Okay, if it is in text, it is hard to deal. So first of all, we start with our dealing the string. So we'll straight away start with the import JSON. Okay, and we'll give the value for a variable. So we can say any of the names next, and we'll put in a dictionary. So we'll start with a single comment. This you can put it in a text file and can save it as in JSON, and then we can load and can read all those stuff. Okay, so if I have to deal with API key as in this way, as 1 2 3, and the API underscore secret as in ABC. Okay, so these things I'm giving you that is in a string. I just want to show how things we are converting. So especially we can read this stuff. If I'm converting, so definitely we can see that it is in string. Okay, so now we have to convert this in our dictionary because we have to deal with in our Python. Okay, so all we can say as in y equals JSON dot loads. So it starts from here. Okay, so if I say x and if I say print y, so I can't call just as it is the txt and calling the API key. If I say this in a dictionary, it will definitely give me the API key what I'm looking for. Okay, so as you can see 1 2 3 is there. So same thing happens if certain stuff are there, you can convert in a dictionary. Now same things if we want to dump in our browser. So especially the Lambda, if the function URL is there, you are dumping some of the data. So you can check that video in my channel we talked about earlier. So now if I want to dump this data into browser, okay, so definitely that should be in a JSON. So all I have to say that dump this data, and I need to say what kind of type it is. Okay, so I believe if I do this stuff, I am ready to deal this data. So it is in type y, and definitely it is converted in a string. So that is how you can easily dump those data. So when you are utilizing Lambda, AWS Lambda, this will be helpful. Okay, so it should be in a required format. If I ask for the type X, it will be definitely will be in a dictionary. So I just need to say this, and then I need to dump the way it is required. So dictionary is there, have been converted into my required, which I can send into browser or as an HTTP request or REST API. So you need to deal in this way. Okay, so try to see, and all of whether it is kind of a test Otherwise, set can utilize this stuff, just dump, and we are good to go. This is how you can do. And say suppose if I try to type this stuff, it will be this way. Okay, so as you can see, I am able to get this data, but especially if I want to read this stuff, loading, I have to give it here. And then if I say here, it will give me the results which I am looking for. Okay, so it is just step by step. Okay, so this is how you can do. Even you can add the separator as well. Okay, so which will be helpful, so you can try. So this is enough. So I just want to give you the introduction about JSON. So try to deal with these things, and it will definitely gonna be useful in our AWS Lambda. For that reason, try to practice this stuff. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct or WhatsApp. Thank you.